what we were getting into. And the firm certainly had no motivation to tell you what we were getting into,
Right.
so you just kind of went and did it, and no surprise that people flamed out and
Right.
committed suicide and had horrible problems with it and everything else, so. All right, we're ready.
Good.
All right, happiest moment, or moments, or what, something happy about being a lawyer. When you think of like your happiest moments, what are they?
They happen daily. I am absolutely blessed that I still love springing out of bed and doing what I do. My happiest moment this week, sitting at the desk, 4:45, West Coast calls in full flower but kind of scaling down. Now it was about 4:15. Young first-year lawyer from ASU sticks her head in, says, I just got notified that I have to argue a TRO in federal court at 4:45, and none of the senior lawyers with me on the case are here. Can you go with me? Obviously, I can't. I promised 6 people things by 5 o'clock. Let's go. Pick up my bags, go to Judge Earl Carroll's chambers, reputed as one of the meanest, most mean-spirited, tough judges. This is a case we were assigned from the Florence Immigration Project, and it's a TRO to prevent the INS from refusing to give its consent to allow a dependency proceeding to be brought in state court to allow this juvenile who was beaten severely and savagely growing up in Nicaragua to be adjudged a dependent, which will then leverage him in some way to better immigration status and to actually get asylum easier. I don't know the law, but that's what I understood the issue was as I was walking to court with Millie. Millie Cisneros is just a great person, although she's from the other school. Milagros Cisneros, she's a Peruvian. She just got her citizenship here. Absolutely committed to pro bono work. A mom, by the way. Just throwing herself into practice and doing great. Of course I'm going to say I'm going to go with her. So I walk into court. I sit there. I don't even have a piece of paper. I couldn't even state the name of our client. I'm there for moral support completely. Seasoned U.S. attorney on the other side. He gets up to the podium first, absolutely makes arcane jurisdictional arguments. Those I can follow, and I whisper a few things to Millie. She's a little shaky. Never been in federal court before. Never argued anything in court before. Goes up to the podium. I give her one seasoned tip from my day. Just rest your hands on the side of the podium and you won't see you shaking. She does that, absolutely hits the ball out of the park. The judge is asking her detailed questions about the record, which I wouldn't have any idea to know. I could not have argued this. She just is right on top of it because she's lived the life with this young man for a year and a half. His travails in the INS system. He was picked up, shipped off to Eloy, imprisoned, and then has been in Pennsylvania and is now in Washington State. Judge takes it under advisement, and my happiest moment is her coming into my office. This was Monday afternoon. Her coming into my office Thursday morning saying we got the TRO, and there's a chance this young man will get his asylum granted now. And tears streaming out of her eyes. And I sat her down. I said, "This is great. Exalt in the moment. I'm very happy for you. Just remember that over the years you're going to lose some too. So right now, all the highs will be here and the lows will be here, and it'll be this parabolic sine wave that'll just whipsaw you. Over the years, that'll get more like this, and then pretty soon it'll just kind of flatline. Oh, I won a $10 million verdict. Great. Oh, somebody quit. Okay, great. Let's just move on." So I said, exalt, but mellow also, and this is one of the delights of practice. I have those events happen, and the happiest thing at this era is my charges, my young folks excelling and doing well and realizing they can practice and they're going to hit home runs with us. As a younger lawyer, it was much more focused on results, and it was winning victories, it was winning the big motions, it was clients thinking you're the greatest, and the public accolades that flow from that. But I've been lucky. To me, it's the human relationships. It's seeing others excel that you've had a hand in nurturing. And I have one of those a week. And the minute they stop, I'll probably look to do something else or retire or slow down.
That's lovely. Well, thank you very, very much. It's been
My
great.
pleasure.
It was